With an end-to-end approach, FUCHS delivered a water-miscible machining fluid that maximized productivity by increasing tool life over 20% and nearly eliminated parts scrapped due to staining. FUCHS didn't just maximize the positive outcomes for the manufacturer, we also minimized many of their problems and decreased their overall fluid-related costs. Major biological contaminants were brought under control, increasing ultrafiltration life by 300%, decreasing the use of hazardous tank side additives, and improving the work environment. With the minimization of tool changes, foam, and system dumps, downtime also dramatically decreased. With our focus on lubricants, technology, and people, FUCHS delivers technology that pays back. We did it for them. We can pay back for you. We know your industry and we know your need for cost performance. See how you and FUCHS can focus on maximizing your profits together.